Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with 506 horsepower 2020 ABT Audi RS5R Sportback reveal. But before we get into the news, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Of course, ABT has tuned the RS5. One of the first tuners to take a crack at modifying the Audi RS5 Sportback is ABT Sports line. Their package goes by the name of RS5R to mimic a similar upgrade tailored to the coupe versions and can be ordered from one of their 50 North American dealers. The modification program starts off with a discreet aerodynamic package, lending the sporty hatchback a slightly sportier vibe. Up front, there's a shiny new carbon fiber spoiler lip attached to the bumper where we can also notice a pair of canards on both sides. The frame of the corporate front grille has been spruced up a bit, while the carbon fiber inserts on the sides together with the custom 21-inch wheels are a reminder that this isn't an ordinary RS5 Sportback. At the back, there's quite subtle spoiler and not subtle diffuser hosting the carbon fiber quad exhaust tips. Elsewhere, you'll find ABT coilover suspensions and a sports anti-roll bar for lower ride height and more stability, as well as tuner's own exhaust system to let the half dozen power plant breathe. No longer developing the stock 444 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, the V6 now pushes out a meaty 503 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque. Let me know in the comment section below, folks. Is it necessary for a 503 horsepower Audi RS5 or not? Running off the list of tweaks are adjustable suspension springs and new sport stabilizers for both the front and rear axle to make this Audi feel more nimble and agile. Inside, the shift knob is covered in carbon fiber, obviously, while ABT badging has been applied onto the door sills and for the door-mounted entrance lights. The tuner will also throw in a 1 of 50 badge to highlight the model's limited status. Although the RS5 Sportback has been delayed in Europe, unfortunately, by Audi, in a bid to prioritize the US market, it is still coming. When that happens, ABT promises to offer these upgrades for Eurospecs cars as well.